Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Amex gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you use an Amex gift card online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, but I'll go over some important information when you're trying to use your Amex gift card online, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you be wondering about how to use an Amex gift card online? Well, that's pretty easy. A lot of times when you're buying shoes online or ordering some sort of service, the website's going to ask for information like a billing address, billing zip code, things like that. And since this is an Amex gift card, it's not tied to any one particular address, which is kind of convenient, but also kind of confusing when you use your Amex gift card online. And the short answer is you don't actually need to register your Amex gift card to use it online. And how you can find that out is direct from the Amex gift card website. So this Amex gift card right here, if you flip yours over, it's going to have a phone number and then also the web address for your card. Now, one thing I want to caution you on is be careful the websites that you visit when you're trying to register your Amex gift card online, because there's a lot of scam websites that look like Amex, but they're only set up to phish your Amex gift card information. So when you put the information in, they just steal all the info and then take all the money off your gift card. So only use the website that's on the back of your Amex gift card. This is mine. I'll try to leave a link in the description to this particular website, but more importantly, you want to go ahead and just use the one on the back of your card. Once you've gone there, then you can see this particular section after you've logged in. So you will need to enter in the 15-digit Amex gift card number, expiration date, and 4-digit security code to get access to this. Once you've logged in, you're going to see this little button here called How to Use. And as you can see, if you're going to use your Amex gift card online, Amex recommends that you go ahead and just use the billing address or mailing address that you always use. Even though it's not registered to that particular mailing address, it should still accept it online. That is, if the online retailer accepts American Express gift cards. Now, there are some retailers that will not take this, so it's going to be impossible for you to use the Amex gift card online if the retailer does not accept it for whatever reason. But if they accept American Express, most likely they will accept your American Express gift card. And also I want to note that Amex gift cards should be used with your current mailing address. And the reason for that is because if there's a problem with the merchant, they can get in touch with you at that address. And aside from that, there's not much more information that you need in order to use your Amex gift card online, because once you buy these gift cards at a retailer and they've given you a receipt, it's activated automatically. You're not going to need to call in to activate your Amex gift card to be able to use it online. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can use your Amex gift card online. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.